Rescuers are racing against time to search for survivors 2 days after a deadly earthquake hit central Morocco on Friday night, claiming the lives of over 2,100. Rescuers were reported struggling to reach the most affected areas, as the epicenter was in the isolated, hard-to-reach Atlas Mountains region, and roads leading up there were blocked by fallen boulders. In Amizmiz, a small town at the foot of the quake-hit mountain range, piles of building debris left by the quake were everywhere, where many houses were built with mud bricks that could not withstand strong tremors.
This is Xinhua News Agency correspondent Huo Jing from the town of Amizmiz, near the epicenter. Many houses collapsed here, and I saw some people trying to recover something useful from their home.
In the open areas along the main road, makeshift tents were pitched up to shelter local residents who had spent 3 nights outdoors for fear of more aftershocks.
A Moroccan gentleman just invited me into this building and showed me the situations now in their house. I can see that the dishes in the kitchen all shattered to pieces, and the cracks on the wall is so huge.
The International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies has allocated 1 million Swiss francs from its emergency disaster fund to assist the Moroccan Red Crescent in its on-site efforts. On Saturday, the Red Cross Society of China announced that it would provide the Moroccan Red Crescent with $200,000 in cash as emergency humanitarian assistance for its rescue operations.